Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to compare the cameras between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus the iQOO 7 camera. Let's see friends which camera will be really good in terms of the night mode shots. So this complete video I did dedicate only for the night mode comparison only. In case if you want to know about outdoor comparison, let me know in the comments. Definitely I'll try to upload as soon as possible. The main reason is because in the night mode shots, in the low light photography, the Realme GT Neo 2 struggles a lot. Let's see with the Realme UI 3.0 update and the Android 12 update, did it get any kind of improved or not? That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. So right now as you can see friends, this is a quick night mode shot comparison between these both phones. So you can see how much clarity it's there in the iQOO 7 device when compared with the Realme GT Neo 2. Clearly you can differentiate friends in this kind of colors, how much bright it is in the iQOO 7 device. As you can see, even after the recent Realme UI 3.0 update as well, still the results are kind of pretty same between these both phones. Here's another shot. Try to look at the shots and the details, how much you can actually gather in the iQOO 7 device versus the Realme GT Neo 2. Clearly you can see how much difference it is there between these both phones. So this is the night mode comparison which I'm trying to do after the recent software updates only. Even after a lot of software updates, still the camera did not improve much in the night mode shots. So this is another shot, as you can see. Huge difference, right? Yes. In the camera department friends, that's the reason why most of the people they'll try to prefer the iQOO 7 device in terms of the camera wise. Low light photography is kind of really good. This is another outdoor shot, outdoor night mode shot. Little bit kind of lighting, just a little bit lighting is there, but you can see how the both phones are in terms of the outdoor shot, night mode, and the clarity and the details as you can see here clearly what's happening between these both phones. And this is another outdoor shot. Try to look at the details, how much we can actually see iQOO 7 versus the Realme GT Neo 2. Even I got really shocked friends after seeing this kind of difference in the iQOO 7 versus other smartphones. iQOO 7 actually can come close to OnePlus Nord 2 in terms of the overall night mode shots comparison side by side. If you try to look at the shots here clearly and the differences. And I was really amazed by this one shot. Let me show you exactly what is the shot which I taken. Yes, this is the one shot which I'm really amazed to see how much difference it's there. It's like night and day difference is there between these two phones exactly. If you try to observe what's happening in this moment, clearly you will be able to see the colors, how much bright it is in the iQOO 7 device. So this is the actual comparison friends with the night mode comparison between these both phones. Overall, night mode shots are really better in the iQOO 7 device. In terms of the low light comparison only I'm trying to compare, even the indoor comparison and even the outdoor comparison as well. These are the statistics which we got to know as well clearly. As you can see, even this other image, how much details the iQOO 7 was able to get the captured. As you can see, even that you can actually read the text as well, what has been written on the box clearly. So that's it friends, this is a quick camera comparison between these both phones, night mode shots only. That's the reason the video was very small. Future I'll try to include definitely all other comparisons. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. This video has been separately requested by a few of my subscribers. That's the reason I thought of doing only night mode shots comparison without any confusion. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll next try to for more updates, and meanwhile signing off until then. Bye.